Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Raven from Teen Titans. So let's get started. To draw a cute Raven, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a straight line across. And then I'm going to draw a curve underneath. So let's come right here. Not too deep, just about this much, and connect. So then let's come right across, about right here. And we're going to do the same thing. Just go right across, straight across. Let's say about that much. And once again, we're just going to connect it with a curve. Just like the other side. And now that we have that in, let's come in here. And we're going to closer to this edge. We're going to draw a circle inside. And let's come in with another circle. Then I'm going to come right here with another circle for a highlight and then shade everything else in. So same thing here. So we're going to be closer to this edge now. So about right here. And same thing. And the highlight's going to be on this side. And shade everything in. Okay, so we have those eyes in. Now let's come in between the eyes and right in the center, say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw this tiny little V right in the center. And then I'm going to come down with a curve right underneath the eyes. And same thing here. And now that I'm about the same level, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a shallow curve. There. Looks so cute. Looks so funny, right? So then from there, let's give Raven here a smile. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just give her a little smirk smile that comes up and cap it off. From there, we're going to start to frame her face. So let's come to the center, come up, say about this much. And I'm going to start to draw a very big V. So I'll just go on this side first since it's easier for my hand. I'm going to go up and up. So as I go up, I'm just kind of imagining I'm going to be drawing a curve down. So I want it high enough where when I create this curve, it will be past the eye. So about right there. From there, I'm going to bring a curve down towards the eye. And same thing over here. Come down towards the eye. Just like the other side. From there, let's continue this curve down. We're going to bring it all the way down until, say about right here, and I'm imagining a curve underneath this. So I just want to make sure it's low enough where I can create that curve. So once again, same thing. So right about there, now that we're even, and I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve right underneath the mouth to connect. Okay, so then now we can draw her hood. So let's, I'll just say about right here. Well, you know what, let's come up here. So I'm just kind of imagining this coming up. So I'll pick a point about right here. And I'm going to come down. And I'm going to, as I come to this area, I'm going to flare it out a little bit. So come out, round off the tip, and we're going to bring this in. So same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag a point approximately about right here. And we're going to do the same thing. So come right next to her face. And I just want to make sure I'm about the same area from my other point. So say about right here. So I'm drawing pretty big and round off the tip. And once again, we're just going to draw a curve right underneath to connect. There. Okay, so then now to draw the top. So now that we have this point in, I'm going to come up and I'll say about right here. I'm going to go a little bit higher. Let's bring this a little bit higher. And about right here, I'm going to start to come towards this side. So I'm just giving it this little corner, coming down, and then about right here, I'm going to bring it down once again to create this little tail and in. And now that we're done with the head, let's go ahead and draw the body. So right in the center, we're going to draw this little accessory that she has, this little pin. So right here, we're just going to draw that, two little angles and connect it. And then we're going to come outside of it, do the same thing right there, and then connect it in the center. Then from there, we're just going to tentatively draw a straight line down first, and then let's come to the sides, and I'm going to start to angle down. So let's bring this down, and on this side I'm going to flare it out a tiny bit just to give it some movement. So say about right there, I'll stop, and then this side will just go straight angle down to about right here. And then we'll go ahead and connect. So it's all up to you how long you want to bring it down. About that much. And connect. And now we'll just bring this line all the way down. Then just to add some details, some crease lines right here. We're just going to flare out two curves. And that is pretty much it. So now I'm going to come in here real quick and shade that all in black so you can see a little bit better. And now that it's all shaded and you can see a little bit better, right? So I'm just going to use a purple marker right here real quick and just color in the eyes right here. And I'm going to come to the top right here and just make it slightly darker. And that is pretty much it for my new version of Raven here from Teen Titans. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me and that you love how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.